guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. So if you didn't know, this month will be my 7-year vegan anniversary. That means I have been vegan for 7 years. And to celebrate, I thought I'd show you one of my favourite vegan recipes. This recipe is called Aubergine Man. And what you're going to need for this recipe is an aubergine, of course, 2 pieces of carrot, a slice of tomato, and a nubbin of gherkin. But more importantly, what you'll need for this is some metal pins. Yes. So what we're going to do is get the aubergine and get the 2 little pieces of, well, first get the first little piece of carrot, and I'm going to get the pin and I'm going to stick it in. There we go. I'm going to get the other little bit of carrot. And grab another pin. And stick it in. And then this little bit of tomato, I'm going to get 2 pins for this. And yes, it's completely fine to eat these pins. And the gherkin is because this aubergine is, of course, a man, and so we need to give him his manhood. That's 1 pin. I'm going to get another pin. Sorry, aubergine man, I know you don't like pins being stuck in there. And let's put 1 more pin in for good luck. And there we have it. That is our aubergine man. So the next thing we need to do is pop our little aubergine man in the fridge. And you are going to leave him in the fridge for 2 weeks to stew. So anyway guys, that was my little aubergine man recipe. I think he's a great addition to any vegan event or picnic. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Maybe let me know how you get on with the recipe down in the comments. And I'll see you in my next one. Okay, bye. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you.